Number of years easy to identify. It is 10 years. PD divided by NP. Earlier it was what? Your interest divided by NP. But in this, dividend divided by NP. Your dividend we calculated 20,000 into 100. It is 20 lakh. So into 10%, it is 2 lakh. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturer in Vidyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the session 5 of your topic called Cost of Capital. In the previous session we done with your cost of debentures. Like in the debenture we had redeemable as well as irredeemable. Now both topics we completed and we will do one problem on redeemable debenture in today's session and we'll shift to your cost of preference shares. Now cost of preference shares and cost of debenture almost it comes similar. Almost it is same only. Whatever formulas we had for cost of debenture, the same formula we are going to cover for your cost of preference shares. But in the debenture we call it as interest, but in preference shares we call it as dividend. Now in the debenture we have taxation. In the preference shares we will not get taxation. Why? Because for interest we have to calculate tax. For dividend there is no tax. Now so the agenda is very simple. We will do three things today. The second one, problems on cost of debenture. As I told you, we will work out one important problem which was your question paper problem, and problem on cost of preference shares, that also we will discuss. First we will learn the formulas in preference shares. Later we will go for the problems on preference shares. Along with that, we will understand the concept. While doing these two topics, the concepts are included. So we will understand concept while doing that. Problem number 8. Almost we have done, I think, problem 8. It must be 9. Let it be. So the 8th problem. The company raises rupees 90,000 by issue of 1,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each. 90,000 by issue of 1,000. These are the number of shares, number of debentures at 10%. This will be your interest part of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10% and repayable at par. Repayable at par means you have to go for actual price itself. Now after number of years they have mentioned it is 10 years. Now if the rate of tax is 50%, what is the cost of debt? So these are the information we have. The company raises 90,000 by issue of debenture. Issue means what? Net proceeds. Now I have space here to calculate. Before that we'll do some working note. Now what is the formula for debenture, redemption of redeemable debenture? Why I call it as redeemable debenture? Why? Because they have mentioned number of years. If the number of years are mentioned in the problem, we call it as redeemable debentures. Now I'll go for the formula. Later we'll go for the calculation. Now what is the formula we have? The formula is very simple. Cost of debenture is equal to I in the bracket 1 minus tax, then plus your MP. MP means what? Margin price. MP stands for margin price minus your net proceeds divided by number of years. So this is done. MP minus NP divided by number of years, whole divided by MP plus NP divided by your 2, the whole divided by 2. So these are the normal calculation or normal formula what we have. Now in this formula we have written with formula. Now individual, what is MP, what is NP, what is N, what is T and what is I, we are supposed to calculate. I'll calculate that. In this we need MP, we need NP we need number of years, we need tax also, and we need interest also. These are the informations we require to calculate your problem. Now, what is MP stands for? MP means we call it as marginal price RS. It is a redemption price. Redemption price I'll come later. We'll go for the easy part. Now, number of years easy to identify. It is 10 years. Number of years 10, easy to identify. It is done. Next, number of years over, rate of tax is 50%. Easy to calculate, 0.50. You know that 50% we can call it as 0.50. Now, your tax also over. Then what is the cost of debt? Rises 90,000 by issue. Issue means what? Issue means it is your NP. So how much it is? 90,000. Now, so NP we got. What is MP now? So NP we got. What is the MP here? MP, as I told you, repaid. Repaid at what price? I'll come back here. Debenture of rupees 100 each at a discount of, see, a company raises 90,000 by issue of 1,000, 10% debenture of 100 each at a discount of 10% and repayable after, see, discount of 10% means what is your NP? It was 90, then you are supposed to add the discount value. Now, I'll show you that. Your NP we got 90,000, no changes in this. Your N means number of years, 10 years, and T tax is 0.50. Interest I'll come later because I need to teach you the concept. Now, I'll come back to your MP. MP means what? Your marginal price. Marginal price is what? Like, marginal price is very simple. They have mentioned repayable at par. At par means what? Actual value. What is the actual value? 90,000 is not the actual value. The actual value is 1 lakh. 10% discount, 10,000. So it has become 90,000. 90,000 is not the actual value. 90,000 is only your NP. Now, so net proceeds is 90,000, but your actual value is 1 lakh. I'll go for your NP is 1 lakh. What is the interest part? On actual value, what is the interest? 10% debenture. Multiplied with 10%, your answer is 10,000. So these are the informations we have. I know that you have confusion. Why it is 1 lakh? Why MP is 1 lakh? I'll teach you now. Now, see, in the question they have given, company raises 90,000. I am taking 90,000 from you. Now, by issue of 1,000, number of this thing, 10% debenture of rupees 100 each. 1,000 into 100, how much it is? 1 lakh. I need 1 lakh, but I'll collect only 90,000. In the certificate, I'll give you that debenture is 1 lakh. It is called issuing at discount. I'm collecting 90,000, but I'm giving certificate for what value? 1 lakh. It is nothing but issuing at discount. Now, I'm issuing certificate and I'm collecting 1 lakh 10,000. What is that? Premium. Now, this problem talks about discount. That's why we have reduced. Now, how come you got 1 lakh means number of shares 1,000. Actual value is 100. So, how much it is? 1,000 into 100, it is 1 lakh. Clear? Yes. Now, we done with all this. We got NP, we got net proceed, we got number of years, tax also we got, interest also we got. I'll simplify now. In this, what is your formula? Cost of debenture is equal to your I, interest, 1 minus T, tax, plus your MP minus NP divided by number of years. whole divided by NP plus NP divided by 2. So these are the information we have. So we done with all this thing and we calculated what is NP, what is NP, everything we calculated. Will simplify this. Now, as per this, first, what is the interest part? Interest is 10,000. Now, it is 10,000. 1 minus tax is 0.50 plus NP. NP means how much? 1 lakh. NP means 90,000. So, it is 1 lakh minus 90,000 divided by number of years is 10 whole divided by your MP again 1 lakh plus 90,000 divided by average is 2. This is a calculation we are supposed to do. Now we'll calculate how much you will get. I'll simplify this. So we have 1 lakh minus 90,000 divided by 10. 1 lakh minus 90,000 divided by 10. I got around 1,000 is the answer. Now this is how much I got? 1,000. This as it is. I'll come back to this. Divided by how much is this? So this is 1 lakh plus 90,000 divided by 2. I'll get 1,45,000. 1,45,000. How much is this? 10,000 into 0.5. It will be 5,000, but I'll check it once. 10,000 into 0.5. It is 5,000. It is 5,000. So this is the actual calculation. What is the final answer? We'll check. So 5,000 plus 1, 6,000. 6,000 divided by 1,45,000. Your answer is 0.041. 0.0413. Now I want this in percentage. How can I calculate into 100? Multiplied with 100, you will get 4.13%. What is the answer? 4.13%. 4.13 is your final answer. I'll go back to your question. If you want, you can take screenshot. So your problem number 8. So I have done the calculation in the question slide itself. This is your solution part. Yes. We'll come back to your formula now. So now we are into your preference shares. We're done with your debentures. Hope you understood. We have done almost 4 to 5 problems on debenture. Not even 4 to 5, more than 7 to 8 we have done, I think. So hope you understood what is debenture. Under debenture, we have redeemable as well as irredeemable. You understood what is redeemable and what is irredeemable. Now, as I told you, whatever we have done for debenture, exactly same is your preference shares. Now, no need to learn anything in the preference share. Same formula, exactly same we will add up here. Same your MP will be there, NP will be there, divided by number of years. Again, MP will be there, NP will be there, divided by 2. Everything is same. Instead of wherever you find interest, in preference shares, we don't call it as interest. We call it as dividend. Now, wherever we have written I, instead of I, we write what? D. D stands for dividend. And for debenture, we have tax, but in preference shares, we will not get tax. Why? Because wherever there is an interest, tax will come. Wherever there is no interest, tax will not come. Clear? No need to learn much in preference share. Exactly similar to your debentures. Now, irredeemable you have, redeemable you have. As I told you, irredeemable, redeemable, it is common, like your debenture. Now, in debenture, what it was? KD, but now here KP. P means preference shares. Now, PD divided by NP. Earlier it was what? Your interest divided by NP, but in this, dividend divided by NP. Now, in this redeemable, this is simple, easily you can do. Now, redeemable preference shares, what is the formula? Easiest one. Earlier we used to do interest. Here it is not interest. Here it is preference dividend. Plus, same, NP minus NP divided by N, NP plus NP divided by 2. Any changes? Not even 0.5% changes in this. Now, preference dividend, how do you get? Preference dividend divided by net proceeds. This is preference dividend divided by net proceed. So, full form of this formula. Now, you know that what is NP, what is NP? NP for maturity price, or else we can also call it as redemption price. Now, NP stands for net proceeds, N stands for number of years. Again, NP maturity price, NP stands for net proceeds, and the last one, it is 2. 2 will go for average price. Now, along with this, we have your PD. PD means what? Preference dividend. Now, we'll go for problem number 1. We will solve it ourselves so that you will understand better. Now, Zen company has issued 1000 10% preference shares of rupees 100 each. Find out the cost of preference shares if they are issued at par, issued at premium, issued at discount. You are supposed to do 3 problems. Now, transaction cost is constant in all the cases. It is 2%. What is the transaction cost? 2%. And ignore taxes. As I told you, in preference shares, tax will not come. Now, hope you are done with all this. So, we are supposed to do 3. Have they mentioned anywhere number of years? 5 years, 6 years, 8 years? No. If it is not mentioned, what is this? Irredeemable, IR. Remember, if number of years are mentioned, then it will be what? Repayable, or else we can call it as redeemable. But in the question, number of years are not mentioned, then it is called as irredeemable preference shares. So there is a major thing you are supposed to remember. Now, so first we'll go for par. How to do par? We'll do that. Later we'll go for premium. Later we'll go for discount. Now, what is the formula as we discussed? PD divided by NP. That's it. Again, I'll repeat. PD divided by NP. That is your formula. Now, KP is equal to PD divided by NP. PD means preference dividend. NP means net proceeds. Now, in this, we need PD also, we need NP also. If it is par, very easy to calculate. Company issued 1000 10% preference shares of 100 each. 1000 of 100 each. How much it is? 5 zeros. This will be 1 lakh. So what is the percentage they have given? 10% preference share. What is the dividend? It is 10%. On 1 lakh into 10%, this will be 10,000. This is your dividend. Dividend, how to calculate? Calculate actual value on that your percentage. Now, Zen company has issued 1000 10% preference shares, means that dividend percentage is 10%. On what price it should calculate? Like of 100 each. So how many shares? 1000. What is the value of share? 100. Multiply, you will get the value, total value is how much? 1 lakh. On 1 lakh 10%, it will be 10,000. Now, this is done. Now we'll go for your net proceed. Net proceed is very simple. What is the total value? 1 lakh. The total value itself, net proceeds. Now, remember that dividend will not change even though it is a par, even though it is a premium, even though it is a discount. The same dividend for all 3, par, premium, discount. But net proceed will change. Now, par means what? Actual value. Par means what? Actual value. Now, the same thing, if it is premium means, then For 1 lakh, you are supposed to add. If it is a discount means for 1 lakh, you are supposed to minus. These are the information you are supposed to remember. Now, we're done with this thing. What is the PD here? The PD is 10,000. And what is the NP? 1 lakh. How much you will get? 0.10. What is the final answer? The final answer is 10%. Any doubt in this? Hopefully there is no doubt. If the problem is for par, this is a calculation. Clear? Yes. I'll go for next one. It is for premium. Premium, what is the formula? PD divided by NP. What is this? Your cost of preference shares. Cost of preference shares, KP. Now, so in this, what is the PD? As I told you, PD will not change. It is 10,000. What is NP? NP I'll show you. NP, it is actually 1 lakh. Now, in this 1 lakh, what we are supposed to do? Now, 1 lakh we have. In this, what happens? Par 5% premium and 2% discount. Transaction cost. See, the transaction cost 2% we are not taking for this problem. Why? Because we are doing basic problem. Basic problem, we will not go with the transaction cost and all. From the next session, I'll go for this. Remember, I am removing this transaction cost. We are not doing for this problem. From the next problem, we will work out transaction cost. In the advanced problem, we'll work out that. Now you are learning. In the basic problem, we don't want transaction cost. I'll show you how to work out transaction cost. Transaction cost is very simple. From your net proceeds, you are supposed to minus. From the next problem, we'll go for that transaction cost. Now, in this, so 5% they have given 5% premium. Now, I'll go for premium. So, add 5%. Add 5%. 5,000. How much it is? 1,05,000. So, divide by 1,05,000. If we are considered transaction cost, you are supposed to minus 2% from 1,05,000. We are ignoring that. From the next problem, we'll go for transaction cost. Now, what is the answer? 10,000 divided by 1,05,000. So, it will be 0.095. 0.095%. Multiply into 100. How much you will get? 9.5% is your answer. Any doubt? Hopefully, there is no doubt. Your final answer is 9.5%. Now, I'll go for discount. Discount is very simple. Your KP is equal to PD divided by NP. PD will not change. It will remain 10,000. What is the NP? NP, it is very simple. As per this, NP is 1 lakh. What is the discount? We have 2% discount. Now, NP, it is 1 lakh minus discount 2%. It will be 2,000. Answer is 98,000. So 98,000. So what is the answer? We'll go for this. Now 10,000 divided by 98,000. It is around 10.2%. So 10.2%. So I have converted into 100. So you got 10.2%. Now, any doubt? This is for discount and this is for premium and this is for par. This is for par. And make a note in this. Transaction cost ignored. Transaction cost ignored. From the next problem, compulsory we are supposed to do. It is not that in the question paper you have to mention you have ignored. No. In examination you have to do, but it is a basic problem. From next problem I'll teach you what is transaction cost. Now, it is nothing but your flotation charges like what we did in your previous sessions. So we're done with this calculation. Now, the last problem for the day, and this will be homework for you. So this will be homework for you, but I'll show you what is the format, what is the formula, what is MP, what is NP, everything I'll show you, but you're supposed to work out this. Now, a company issued 20,000, 10% preference shares of rupees 100 each, redeemable after 10 years. 10 years means it is a redeemable problem. Now, premium of 5%. At the time of redemption, there was a premium of 5%. The cost of issue was 2 at a premium of 5%, and the cost of issue is rupees 2 per share. Calculate the cost of preference shares. So these are the informations we have. We'll calculate this. Now, in this, what happens? The company issued 20,000 preference shares. What is the formula? KP is equal to, in this, what we'll do, we will take what? Your P, preference dividend, PD we are supposed to do, plus your MP minus NP divided by number of years, whole divided by MP plus NP divided by 2. This will be your formula. Now, in this what happens? We need what is MP, we need what is NP, we need what is number of years, we need what is interest. So these are the information we need, and one more we need what is MP. I'll do it in the next slide. Yes, we need MP, we need NP, we need tax is not there, we need interest, and we need number of years, and we need PD. So these are the information we are supposed to find out. Now, I'll go back to the question. We'll read it out slowly in this. A company issued 20,000. Issue means what? Your NP, net proceeds. Now, 20,000, 10% preference shares of rupees 100 each. Now, very simple. I'll go back. Now, your PD is very simple. 20,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each. It will be how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 20 lakh. So it is what? 10%. Multiplied with 10%, if this will be 2 lakh. 2 lakh is your preference dividend. Now, cost of 100 each, redeemable after 10 years. Now, what is the number of years? Number of years is 10. Hope you understood. Now, in this, redeemable after 10 years at a premium. Redemption happened what? At a premium of 5%. Premium of 5%, it is redeemed. The cost of issue is rupees 2 at a premium of 5%. Then the cost of issue is rupees 2 per share. Now, cost of issue is what? 2 rupees per share. Now, calculate the cost of preference shares. See, the cost of issue is rupees 2 at a premium of 5%. It is actually repeated. It is a previous line at a premium of 5%. Now, just remember the cost of issue is 2. Cost of issue is 2. So, we'll calculate this simple one. Net proceeds we will calculate first. Your dividend we calculated 20,000 into 100, it is 20 lakh. So into 10%, it is 2 lakh over. Next, Your number of years we calculated 10 years over. Now we are supposed to calculate interest is not there in this problem. Why? Because we are doing preference shares. Now MP and NP. What is NP and what is NP? Now we'll go for NP. Your actual number of shares 20,000 multiplied with 100. It is how much? It must be 20 lakh. But in this what happened? Cost of issue is 2. It will become 98. 20,000 multiplied with 98. What will be your answer? Now I'll calculate this. 20,000 multiplied with 98. This will be 19,60,000. 19,60,000. This will be your net proceeds. Now, I'll go back to your question. A company issues 20,000, 10% preference shares of rupees 100 each, redeemable after 10 years at a premium of 5%. Then, at a premium of 5%. Now, redeemable at a premium of 5%. I'll go back. Now, again same procedure, 20,000 multiplied with 100, it will be 20 lakh plus premium of 5%. How much you will get? Around 1 lakh you will get. So it will be how much? 21 lakh. So what is your market price? 21. Your maturity price 21 lakh. These are the calculations we have. Remember, you got your MP, you got your NP, and you got your number of years, and you got your preference dividend also. Just have a try. I'll send you the correct answer. But whatever you did for your debenture, the same procedure will follow here. Try this. We'll see how many of you will send me the right answer. I sent you everything. If you want me to add in the formula, I can add also. Yes, the same formula we have, I can add also that. I'll show you that. Now, so as per the formula, if I write, so in this, KP is equal to PD. What is a PD? We calculated. PD is how much? It is 2 lakh. 2 lakh is the PD. 2 lakh plus your MP. Number of years also will go. Number of years in this. Number of years 10. And your NP is 21 and NP is 19,60,000. Now, 21 lakh minus 19,60,000. Number of years 10. Similarly, if you go for this one, whole divided by MP. MP stands for, it is 21 lakh. Plus 19,60,000 whole divided by 2. Up to this I have done. What is your job? Very simple. Simplify this and let me know what is the final answer in the text box. Remember, up to this formula I have written, calculation I have done. You are supposed to find me out what is the cost of preference shares. I'll go back to your slides so that you can take screenshot. So this is your question. Remember, the premium word is repeated. That's why I have removed that. So this is a procedure. You have formula, you have answer also. Just you need to simplify. So this is what your solution part. Solution part means just I have calculated what is your number of years, what is your PD, what is your NP, and what is your MP. I have calculated. Now, remember, this is one answer, this is one answer, this is one answer, and this is one answer. I'll go out. Yes. So this is all about your today's session. So I have given you homework. I have done almost 90% of the problem. Just I need final answer. What is preference dividend cost? Now, you are supposed to do that and send me in the chat box. Once I get 3 to 4 answers, later I'll send you the exact answer so that you can cross verify with your answer. Thank you.